all the subs and all the subs and the amps now.
All Deaf Bonce, right?
Oh yeah.
All right. Whoa. How are you seeing a difference? Do you peak lower, higher? Has anything changed? But same box though?
Yeah, same box.
Okay.
I don't know. It's peaking in the same area, but
yeah.
It's a little bit louder, it's more power, you know.
Yeah.
But they're doing really great on the low end. Like a lot of people say they won't play low, but
yeah,
they're doing.
So could you tell me equipment real quick?
Yeah, so it's 3 Deaf Bonce 3515s on 3 AAB 7900.1s. And then I have 2 200.4s on the mids and highs in the truck.
Yeah.
And then I have the Stonewall in the bed that's got an 1800.2 and a 2900.1 on all of that. And then for electrical is a single 350 amp alt and 2 80 amp hour CESN long banks.
There they are. Awesome. Man, I like that. That's pretty cool.
Thanks, man. Yeah.
Sweet.
He does a good job.
Yeah. Who built the box?
The guy you're just talking to, Mike.
Where's Mike? Okay, yep. Got it. All right.
Yeah, I just did my 2-minute music run for
the musical average?
ISPLL for subsonic suicide. Did a 52 and 28 on a 2-minute average.
Damn.
Yeah. And it was only clamping 6,900 watts.
Really?
Yes.
That rise is
the rise in the lower frequencies is insane.
Yeah. So, yeah. Oh yeah, over there. Yeah, I was giving it. I gave about 15 already. Yeah.
Doing good?
So far.
Yeah.
I'm getting used to the Brazilian full bridge. I don't know if I like it.
I've noticed the efficiency is way better with these than I had a Salt 8K before.
Yeah. You were wired down too? I was at 0.5 and then my amp blew. And then I went to full bridge and I'm like, you can tell the difference. Anyway, all right, demo, yeah.
I heard payback's a motherfucking nigga.
I mean, it said more power, but yeah, man, awesome. Thank you for the demo. That sounds good, dude.
Yeah, I love them.
Are you? Have you burped it yet? Meter score wise, just to
Yeah,
know?
so full tilt burp.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's exactly clamping.
Yeah.
We tested with the AMM1.
Yep.
But it did a 56 at 31.
Okay.
56.05.
Man, awesome. Congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing me, man. Awesome.
God's country.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.